The 777 Hertz frequency manifestation technique that works instantly. What if you could tune your personal energy to the frequency of abundance? Right here, right now. For centuries, spiritual thinkers have known a fundamental secret of the universe. Everything is vibration. Today, you're going to learn a powerful technique that uses a specific sound, the 777 Hertz frequency, and combines it with a proven visualization process to help you attract more wealth and prosperity into your life. And don't just watch, because in the next few minutes, we're going to do it together. The problem and the promise. Do you ever feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel? You're working hard, you're trying to get ahead, but your bank account just never seems to reflect your effort. Maybe you feel this constant low-level anxiety about money, no matter how hard you try to think positive. If that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. So many people feel trapped in a financial reality that doesn't match what they know they're capable of. But what if the key wasn't about working harder, but about vibrating smarter? The promise today is simple. We're going to introduce your entire being to a frequency that many in spiritual circles believe is a direct line to abundance, 777 Hertz. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint for shifting your energy from a state of not enough to a state of more than enough. What is the 777 Hertz frequency? So, what's the deal with this frequency, and why do people get so excited about it? First, let's be really clear. The idea that sound can help us relax and change our mood is well documented. However, the specific link between 777 Hertz and attracting wealth is rooted in modern spiritual practice and personal stories, not hard scientific consensus. Still, countless people swear by its power. Sound is vibration, and our brains can respond to vibrations through a process called brainwave entrainment. Different frequencies might encourage our brains to shift into different states, like the deep relaxation of alpha waves or the meditative calm of theta waves. While the science on 777 Hertz specifically is limited, it's believed to have a deeply calming effect that helps quiet all that mental chatter and anxiety. And this is key. Why? Because you can't attract abundance from a place of stress and desperation. You attract it from a place of peace, openness, and feeling good. The 777 Hertz frequency is thought to soothe the nervous system, creating the perfect inner quiet for manifestation to really take hold. Some traditions associate it with the crown chakra, our energy center for spiritual connection and universal consciousness. Now, you may have heard of the ancient solfeggio frequencies, but 777 Hertz isn't one of them. It's a newer frequency that's become popular in modern sound healing for its unique, uplifting vibe and the amazing experiences people report. Think of it as a sonic key, designed to help you unlock a more receptive and aligned state of being. The 3-step manifestation blueprint. Listening to the frequency by itself is great, but when you mix it with focused intention, that's when the magic really happens. This is the 3-step blueprint we're about to use. The affirmations of abundance. First up, you have to consciously choose the thoughts you want to give power to. Affirmations are basically declarations of truth that help reprogram your subconscious mind, which is where all your deep-seated beliefs about money live. If your subconscious thinks money is hard to come by, or that you don't deserve it, it will create a reality that proves it right. We're going to overwrite that old software. Here are 5 powerful wealth affirmations to get you started. 1. I am a magnet for money, and it flows to me easily and joyfully. 2. My income is always growing, often from unexpected places. 3. I release all my old hang-ups about money and welcome unlimited abundance. 4. My wallet and my bank accounts are overflowing. 5. I am worthy of incredible wealth, and I use it to make a positive impact. The trick isn't just to say the words, but to feel them. As you repeat them, Try to feel the gratitude and relief you would feel if they were already 100% true. The Golden Sea Visualization. Second, we bring your imagination into it. Your subconscious mind doesn't speak in words, it speaks in pictures and feelings. This Golden Sea Visualization is a powerful way to create a brand new inner image of what abundance looks and feels like. Here's what we'll be doing in a moment. You'll imagine yourself standing at the edge of a huge, shimmering sea. But it's not made of water. It's made of pure, liquid gold, sparkling like it's filled with diamonds. This golden sea is the infinite, never-ending supply of the universe. It can't run out. It's always full. You'll see a wheelbarrow next to you, which represents your own capacity to receive. You're going to walk right up to that golden sea and start filling it. As the liquid gold pours in, you'll watch it transform into cash, gold coins, checks, or whatever symbols of wealth you desire. You'll feel its weight, the security it brings, and the freedom it represents. Integration and inspired action. This final step is the bridge between your inner work and the outer world, and frankly, it's the one most people skip. You can't just meditate and then expect cash to magically appear while you're making a sandwich. The universe works with you, not just for you. The whole point of the frequency and visualization is to align your energy, clear out mental blocks, and tune into your intuition. When you're in this aligned state, you'll start getting what people call inspired actions or intuitive nudges. It could be a sudden idea for a new project, an urge to call an old friend, the impulse to learn a new skill, or finally getting the courage to ask for that raise. That's the universe showing you the path. Your job is to walk it. The frequency tunes the instrument. That's you. But inspired action is how you play the music. The guided manifestation experience. All right, enough talk. It's time to experience it for yourself. Find a comfortable position, either sitting up with a straight spine or lying down flat. Just make sure you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. If you have headphones, now is a great time to put them on to really let the frequency sink in. Go ahead and gently close your eyes. Let's start with 3 deep, cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand. Hold it for just a second, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting all the tension go. Again, a deep breath in, hold, and a slow breath out, just letting the day fall away. One last time. Breathe in a sense of peace, and breathe out any last bit of stress or worry. Now just settle into the quiet. And in this quiet space, begin to imagine a gentle golden light forming all around you. This light is warm, it's loving, and it feels incredibly peaceful. Feel it on your skin. Feel it soothing every muscle in your body, all the way from the tips of your toes to the very top of your head. As you relax into this golden light, imagine a sound starting to rise. It's a clear, pure, high-pitched hum. Let this be the 777 Hertz frequency. You don't have to hear it perfectly with your ears. Just imagine it in your mind. Feel this golden sound vibrating in perfect harmony with the golden light around you. Feel that vibration gently resonating in your bones, in your cells, in your very being. This is the frequency of miracles, the frequency of abundance. Now, in your mind's eye, let this golden light transport you. You find yourself standing on the shore of a breathtaking beach. The sand soft and white under your feet. The air is warm and smells like pure possibility. And there, in front of you, is the most incredible thing you've ever seen. An endless, shimmering sea of pure liquid gold. It sparkles and glitters under a radiant sun, like 1,000,000 diamonds have been scattered across it. This is the golden sea of abundance. This is the infinite supply of the universe. It's vast, limitless, and it's always here for you. Feel any lingering sense of not enough, just dissolving as you look out at this infinite ocean of wealth. Know, deep in your core, that scarcity is an illusion. This is the truth of your reality. Right beside you, you notice a large, sturdy wheelbarrow. It's empty and ready. This wheelbarrow is your ability to receive. Take the handles. Feel their solid, steady texture. With a feeling of purpose and total worthiness, you start walking toward the golden water. You reach the edge of the sea. The liquid gold laps gently at your feet, feeling warm and inviting. There is no fear here, only peace, only acceptance. You dip the wheelbarrow into the golden sea and begin scooping it up. Watch as it fills. See the liquid gold instantly transform into stacks of crisp bills, into shimmering gold coins, into checks written out to you for incredible amounts. It becomes any symbol of financial freedom you can imagine. Fill it up as much as you want. There are no limits here. As your wheelbarrow fills, repeat this silently to the universe, to God, to whatever you believe in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel a wave of genuine gratitude wash over you. Gratitude for what you have, and gratitude for everything that is now on its way. Now, with your wheelbarrow overflowing, you turn back from the shore. You pull it with ease. This isn't a burden, it's a blessing. And you know you can come back to this sea anytime you want. You are unlimited. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body, whether you're sitting or lying down. The image of the golden sea fades, but the feeling remains. That feeling of peace, that feeling of worthiness, that feeling of true abundance. The 777 Hz frequency is still humming within you, sealing this new reality into every part of your being. Let the affirmations we talked about just drift through your mind. I am a magnet for money. My income is constantly increasing. I am worthy of vast amounts of wealth. Let these new truths settle deep inside you. When you're ready, you can slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Maybe wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when it feels right, gently open your eyes. Just take a second. How do you feel? If you're feeling that peace, that clarity, that sense of alignment, do me a favor and like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next journey together. What you just did was so much more than a meditation. You actively rewired your subconscious mind and your personal energy. You just planted a powerful seed of abundance. Remember the 3 steps: high vibe affirmations, the golden sea visualization, and the big one, inspired action. Try to make this a regular practice. Consistency is what builds real momentum. Listen for those intuitive nudges throughout your day and have the courage to follow them. You absolutely hold the power to create the freedom you want in your life. It doesn't start with a lucky break. It starts with a conscious shift in your own vibration. You've taken the first and most important step today. Thank you for trusting me to guide you. Please, share one thing you're ready to manifest in the comments below. Declaring it is a powerful first step in making it real. I can't wait to read about all the abundance that's about to flow into your life.